Ay, ang hina, ang daming tao, hindi ko kayo maramdaman. Lahat na tayo, palakpakan nyo sa sigaw. Ay, guys, teka lang ha, gusto ko mula dito, paikot tayo lahat ng tao magsisigawan ng palakpakan. Kasi pag hindi ginawa yan, hindi ko tatawagin ang ating mga stars, okay? So lahat tayo sabay-sabay ha, papalakpakan nyo kasama sigaw. Ready, and 3, 2, 1, palakpakan! Very good, okay? So ready na kayo guys. Ito na, hindi natin papatagalin ito ha. Pero first is first, nakikiusap po kami sa inyo. Wala po sana magtutulakan at wala po sana magkakagulo, alright? Pag medyo magulo po ang ating, pag naging magulo po tayo, we have to stop this, alright? So please, lahat po tayo behave, alright? Walang tatayo sa upuan, wala na magkakagulo, alright? So, without further ado, everybody palakpakan for one of the members of Crazy Trios. She is a YouTube sensation.
Okay, let me sing for you guys. Kanina pa ba kayo dito? Almost the whole cast is here. Ready na ba kayo makita si Maggie? Tinalit sila for you guys. So. Hi Donald Inspires! Kamusta kayo? Okay, hindi nagpe-play yung music ko. Mag-acapella na lang ako. Okay, there it is. Whew. Okay, you know, napapahiya na ako dito Ba? Gusto nyo? Ayaw niyo ba akong pakantahin? I'm so happy, my own life's a little bit scary. Boys wanna marry, looking at my day. Hey, you can say that if you're touching on my day. Put me in the picture, sit up in the sunshine. Not 'cause I'm better than the girl that's fiction. I don't gotta talk about it, baby, you can see it. But if you're not, I'll be happy to repeat it. So tell him goodbye. If you're looking for me, you can see me. Cameras flashing, daddy turn his head as soon as the passion. Girls think I'm conceited 'cause I know I'm attractive. Don't worry about what I think, why don't you ask me? Get yourself together, don't hang. Promises the ugliest stray. I can talk about it 'cause I know that I'm ready. And if you know it too, then ladies sing with me. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Don't Marunong ko maglaba kahit wala sa itsura.
Good. Donnie, would you like to promote something?
Yes, yung album ko available here for only 199 pesos lang po. So, bumili po kayo, nagmamakaawa po ako sa inyo, bili nyo naman po. I love your belt naman.
Yeah, oo.
Masyadong mataas yata.
Ito ang bewang ko.
Okay.
Ito, kilikili to eh. Everybody, once again, palakpakan of course. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Donali. Ang ganda ni Donali, no? Marami ba single ngayon na babae? Kasi ang dami-daming babae. Gusto niyo bang marami rin yung mga boys? Nakaloko yung tumili, boy din. Hindi ko kaya yun. Gusto niyo ba makita ang picture ko? Yan siya. Sino may Wattpad dito? Sino may Wattpad? Sino may Wattpad? Okay. Nagbabasa ba kayo sa Wattpad? Sino na sa inyo nakabasa ng Rapture? Wala pa. O, basahin niyo yan ha. 1 month pa lang ako po ang author niya, Rapture. Shadkini, CHADKINIS. It's the slowest updating story in Wattpad, ha? So, 1 month na meron pa lang siyang 3 chapters. Sana, ano yun yan. Supportahan niyo naman ako, guys. Okay, babasahin niyo ba yung Rapture? Kasi kung hindi niyo babasahin, hindi ko tatawagin yung susunod. Babasahin niyo ba yung Rapture? Shadkini sa anong pangalan ko? CHADKINIS. Same sa Twitter tsaka sa Instagram. Follow niyan. At dahil mababait kayong lahat, syempre, gusto nyo bang makakita ng maraming guwapo? Gusto nyo ba silang mayakap tsaka mahalikan? Pwes! Tawagin na natin! Nakikita niyo ba ito, ha? Nakikita niyo ba? Nakikita ko din. Everybody on the line, put together the first. Let's welcome the members of Lucky
Raindrops can't move. I want you to know what you want and what you made. You completely separated. Till I think you penetrated. Till I take it out, wipe it off. Eat it, ate it, love it, hate it, overstated, underrated. Everywhere I've been, can you wiggle, wiggle, till I do all that with you like this? Come on, baby, turn around.
Yeah.
Yeah, market!
Yo. Everybody once again, palakpakan nyo ng members ng Lucky 13. Come on. Hi guys. Uy. Ate. Guys, please introduce yourself. You say your name at saka kung anong role nyo sa TV or in the movie. That's all, thank you. Kumusta ka naman, Marco Blanca? Masaya ba kayo? Masaya ako. Masaya ba kayo?
Hey guys, my name is Kiko and I play the role of Pep. What's up, Marco? Yes, I'm Argent Daniel Rosario, and I'm playing the role of 7, part of Lucky 13.
Hi guys! I'll be playing Kyo, the broken-hearted prince. Thank you. What's up, Market? I'll say, talk back! You're dead! Talk back! Talk back! I'm Billy Villada, playing the role of Vin of the Lucky 13.
Si Brett Jackson. I play Jack the Joker in Talk Back and You're Dead.
Yun. Hello guys. My name is RK, Ryan Kevin, and I play the role of Mon Villarasa. Talk Back and You're Dead.
Hey guys! My name is Clark Merced. I play the role of Sun, aka Mr. Sunshine ng Lucky 13.
Yes. Hi guys. Siyempre, kung nandito ang members, dapat nandito rin ang leader! Ako nga, my name is... Araw mo na ginagawa. Guys, alam nyo, ang dami-dami nila, parang gusto nyo ba silang makasama? Do you wanna play a game, guys? Okay, ganito ang gagawin natin nga, usapan natin, alright? Papababain ko sila dyan. Pero hayaan nyo sila ang pumili, please. Walang ihila sa kanila. Sige. Paano ko ma-explain? Sige, kayo na. Listen first, listen. Ate, wait lang ha. Please don't push. Ate, step back.
And you're dead.
Step back or you're dead. Okay, ganito ang gagawin natin ha. Walang hihila sa kanila. Walang manunula. Hayaan nyo sila pumili, alright? So guys, okay, papababain ko kayo para pumili ng partner nyo. Bago kayo pumili ng partner nyo. Sige. Paano ka mag-start? Ganito ha, papababain ko na sila ha. Okay, Clark, babasa natin yung ano. Ito na.
Wait lang. Narinig. Hey!
Pag-isipan ko na. Okay. Yes. Okay, si Billy meron na rin. Meron na si Billy, meron na si Kiko. Asa si Orchid? Ayun, okay. Okay guys, alternate ang gagawin natin. So, Lucky 13, Orchid palit tayo. No. Ayan. Alright. Yeah. Kiko. Here. Yan. Okay, yan. Alright.
Ba't kami hawak ng barahan?
Palit. Maglalaro tayo.
Pustahan?
Oo. Ayan. Okay, simple lang ang laro natin dito. Itutumba natin ang mga babae. Ililigpit sila. Sabay-sabay. Char. Okay, monitor mic. Voice it. Okay, ganito ang gagawin natin. Napakasimple lamang ng game natin, alright? This is what we call the game Suck and Low, alright? Familiar ba kayo sa cards na ganito? Hihigupin ito ng Lucky 13 member at ipapasa gamit ng bibig papunta ang alright?
Chad, sample si Arkin. Wala siya last time.
Arkin, kasi kailangan natin mag-sample kasi wala ka last time.
Wala ka rin yung last small shot.
Lahat sila nag-sample na.
Ano gagawin natin? Isa-sample mo yung Suck and Blow, bro.
Okay, ganito yung gagawin ha. Ganito yun ha.
Go, Arkin. Pinapapasad si Arkin, no?
Ganun yan. Okay, go back, Arkin. Parang ako na lang ang lalaro sa lahat. Okay, let's start with Brett. Kailangan maka-breath niya sa medulla, alright? Let's start with you. Okay, ready and 3, 2, 1, go! Nakakadili. Nag-enjoy ba kayo, girls? Gusto niyo ba ng one round pa? One round pa? Pabalik naman tayo. Let's start with you, alright? Okay, sa akin manggagaling ha? Sa akin manggagaling ha? Okay. O, yan na yun. Ready, go! Alam mo na, excited siya. Sabi niya, nakagaling lang. Parang arwanan. Alam mo, sumusugod. Sabi niya, sumusugod. Hoy, mag-antay ka. Alam, para-paraan ha. Sinusundan. Ano? Alam mo, ako nagigigil kasi nakakarami ka na ha. Go. Alam mo, oy! Hoy! Pwede kumitaw! Go! Alam mo siya, Wala na, tapos na. Wala na. Kala ko meron pa. Okay, uubusin natin itong concert. So, hindi guys, walang pa kanyo naman yung mga girls sa sumali. Thank you so much girls. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. You can now, of course, syempre, bilang premyo naman sa kanila, isa namang group hug with the girls. Group hug! Group hug! Group hug! Sale. Sale. Saan ako? Wala. Ayan. Thank you so much, ladies. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Hala, ito jackpot to, oh. Sabi niya talaga kanino? Sumusugod. Okay, thank you guys. And, may tumatawag to. Guys, aware ba kayo ngayon sa tinatawag natin na ALS Ice Bucket Challenge? Diba? Sino nakakaalam ng ALS? ALS, alam niyo lahat yun, diba? It's a online it's a viral video spreading online para sa awareness ng ALS, alright? ALS is ano nga? ALS is the Ice Bucket Challenge. Help fight the ALS by taking the Ice Bucket Challenge with spreading awareness and donating to their research fund. ALS is amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, alright? Pero syempre, gusto rin naman namin makatulong sa inyo, and actually, merong nag-nominate sa ating mga members ng Lucky 13. Actually, nandito siya ngayon. At para masaksihan natin ang live nomination, tawagin natin walang iba kundi si Jella. Member siya ng Care Bears, right? Yeah, Jella, come here. We want you to do the nomination. Ang ganda ni Jella, no? Ang ganda ng buhok niya, burn and dry. Come, Jella. Guys, are you ready to take the challenge over this? Ready ba kayo? Gusto niyo ba sila makita ng challenge na gano'n? Parang ayaw niyo naman eh. Gusto niyo ba sila makita ng basang-basa? Hi, Jella. Jella, nakita namin ang iyong nomination sa of course, online. At may nominate sa members ng ating Lucky 13, tama ba? We want you to do the nomination live para alam nila, okay? So, can you say the nomination, please?
I nominate Kiko.
Go! You can do it, man.
Arkin. King.
Thank you so much, Jella. So you are being challenged by Jella to take the Ice Bucket Challenge. Ice Bucket Challenge. We have Arkin, and King.
Alphabetical order. Arkin, mauna ka.
So iisa-isahin natin to. So let's start with Arkin. Come on. It's a setup ng natin to.
Basang-basa.
Okay.
Gusto mo yan?
Ako na lang. Then afterwards, you have to nominate Arkin. Pagkatapos niyo yung ano yan, you have to nominate them kasi kailangan mo yung may pasa yan, okay? You have to nominate someone too. Thank you, Jella, for nominating Arkin, Kiko, and King. You may now take your seat. Thank you so much. Habang piniprepare lang natin ang ating pagbabasa talaga, alam mo, sobrang game ng Lucky 13. Agad-agad, no? Agad-agad gagawin, walang inuurungan, in all fairness.
Chad, dapat kasali ka.
Ha?
Chad, bilang host, dapat game ka.
Ha?
Sali ka din.
Ha?
Sali ka.
Okay, so let's start with Arkin. Arkin, are you ready to get wet? Do you want to see them get wet? Siyempre, nasa market tayo. Pag nabasa sila, ito ay wet market. Sarap. Char. Arkin, sa gitna ka. Sorry, Arkin, before you do that pala, you have to do it first. Para maging effective yung nomination. Yeah. Ayan. Babasahin ka namin, tapos tututukan ka namin ng malaking electric fan, ha? Para magkaroon ka ng pulmonya. Okay? Okay. Ayan. Uupo ka dyan, tapos babalutan ka namin, tapos aalis kaming lahat, ha? Maiiwan ka dito, ha? Shella, are you ready? Are you ready? Alright. Ito na. Oh, ulitin natin yung nomination na. Ulitin natin yung nomination. Come on, Shella. Ulitin natin yung nomination. Go.
I nominate Kiko, King, and Arkin. And the other Lucky 13.
Alright. Wala akong magagawa siya. Are you ready, Shella? Tamang-tama. Alright. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Wow, gusto mo yan, okay? Kunin yung aircon, itutok sa kanya. And of course, Arkin, Kiko, and King, you are being challenged. Arkin, you're next. Ayan. Ang pare naman, of course. Arkin, you're taking this challenge and you have the right to nominate 2 snacks. So, you have to nominate them. Okay, you'll be nominating them after na magbuhusan ka, alright? Si Samantha. Pero siya si Samantha sa talkback and you're dead. Palakpak for the King!
para marinig ko yung Antipati ko. Guys, maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito ngayon. Sino nang nakapanood na ng TVYD? Marami na. Sa mga hindi mo po nakakapanood, kung gusto niyo pong mapanood ang pinakastig at nakakamatay sa kilig na love story, panoorin niyo na po yung Talk Back in Your Dead. Right? Ayan. Oh, and by the way, available na po yung solo album ko. Ayan. Diyan po sa likod. Kasama po din yung para-paraan yung kinanta ko ngayon lang. Tsaka yung Mr. Antipatico at marami pa po ibang kanta na I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo. Alam ko inaantay nito eh. Kanina niyo pa tayo na. Alam niyo kung ano yung surprise namin sa inyo. Hindi siya song. Tao siya. Kasi na-miss niyo siya, alam namin na-miss niyo siya. Kaya for James Reid!
Cause I need you. So you know you get your blessing to the day I'm talking about it's just too much. But you know it's so good. But you don't bring me to you. Why you gotta be so good? I'm gonna marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry you anyway. Marry that girl. Marry that girl. You know what to say. Thank you guys. Sino sila nakapanood na ng Talk Back in Your Dead? Thank you so much guys. Hi to the cameras. John and Jaden, thank you guys for coming. Okay. Gusto nyo pa? Before we continue, I like to call back on the stage my leading lady, my wifey, and Smith.
Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Gusto niyo pa?
Ang pinagait sa akin.
Hindi ko kalain maglalaban ko.
Basta bahala na.
Alam ko lang kasi may namahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Hindi ka itinadhana.
mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Kung sa saranggawan
Ikaw yung action star na nahihiman.
sa nagkabuhan, ang pinagait sa akin.
Sa'yo na
Sa singos wala na kung basta bahala na.
alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Kahit pa sabihin na
Hindi ka itinadhana.
mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Kahit ipaglago kayo kasigurado isusunod ang ating puso.
Hindi ko mabago, di na mapapago.
Gusto ko sa magkakulang ang pinagait sa akin.
Sa'yo naramdaman, hindi ko kalain ipaglalaban ko.
Basta bahala na.
Alam ko lang kasi minamahal kita.
Sabihin na
Itinadhana.
mahal kita kasi kaya bahala na. Basta bahala na. James Street and the Big Rooster! Alam mo, parang nabitin ako dun sa huli. Parang ang layo eh. Pwede bang nose to nose, James? Nose to nose? Oo, pwede bang nose to nose? Parang medyo malapit naman. Ayaw ka ng nose to nose. Ano gusto mo? Ang corny kasi nose to nose. Ano dapat? Kiss na lang. Gusto mo ba yun? Gusto mo ba yun? James, gusto daw nila. So, bibilang tayong lahat ha. 1, 3! Nainggit ako. Ano sabi niya? Ano si Mama? Uy! Anyways, James, Nadine, congratulations sa TBYD, of course.
Thank you.
Any message to your fans, please? Of course, we love you guys. That's all I can say. We love you so much. Thank you for everything.
Maraming salamat guys sa lahat ng suporta nyo. I mean, DNP pa lang, nandiyan na kayo. Thank you. I love you guys.
Guys, thank you
hindi pa rin ito mapagmamahal natin sa Shadeen. Pwede ba lahat tayo sa sigaw ng We Love You, Shadeen? Sabay-sabay tayo alagin. 3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you.
Sobra. And, James, Nadine, kanina kasi sa Lucky 13 kanina.
Nakikita ko na nga siniset up na kinakabahan na ako.
Kasi you're actually being challenged by the fan na naging trending ito, na naging viral. Siguro napanood nyo, nakita nyo naman yung pag-challenge ninyo, di ba? Please, can you please help us, of course? Basta, ito yun, teka lang ha. I help fight ALS by taking the Ice Bucket Challenge and by spreading awareness. And of course, on behalf of Viva Artist Agency, we will donate, of course, to the ALS organization pag ginawa niyo itong challenge na to. Are you accepting the challenge? Are you up for it?
Accept.
Game.
Okay, alright.
Game.
So, palaban ng JD natin. Palakpakan naman natin si James at si Nadine. Alright. James, parang mababa, kasi yung damit mo sayang mababasa. Diba? Mababasa eh. Wala yata siya. Saan ba nagre-ready ating JD niya? Nakihandaan na namin yung mga videos. Karil, may dalawang damit si James. Meron, wala na. So, mababasa yung damit niya yan. Gagamitin niya pa ulit yung damit. James, ang ganda ng damit, sayang, baka mabasa, James. Yaya. Okay, so unahin natin, of course, si Nadine. Siyempre, ladies first. Once again, we are doing this and we are accepting this challenge to spread, of course, the awareness of ALS. At magdodonate po ang Viva Artist Agency sa ALS organization. So, Nadine, are you ready? Alright. After you do the challenge, you will nominate kung sino susunod, alright? Okay. James, we should do the honor para... Are you ready? Yeah. Ready, eh? Are you ready, Nadine? Alright. And 3, 2, 1, go!
Wait lang, pwede huminga muna. Okay. I nominate Andre Perez.
Thank you so much, Nadine. Siyempre, after Nadine, James, it's your turn. Malamig. Of course, Nadine, it's payback time. Are you ready, James? Are you ready?
Yes.
So, hinahanda lang yan, no? Ay, kasi James, alam mo, yung damit kasi susutin mo ba yung mamaya? Oo. Eh, sayang, diba sayang ka nababasa? Oo. Ano sila ng taong bayan? Hindi mo kayo marinig. 1, 2, 3. Ano yun? Again. 3, 2, 1, go!
I can breathe. So cold. Okay. First, I'd like to nominate Christine Reyes, Ann Curtis, and Sam Milby. But also, right now, I'd like to get on the stage Mario Dumawa. Come on stage. You're next.
Of course, Sir Mario Dumawa, of course, from ABS-CBN, of course, na-nominate siya, and he will do the challenge here in front of everyone. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Mario. So this is the Chain Ice Bucket Challenge. Sir Mario? Ready? Ready and 3, 2, 1, go!
Para sa awareness sa sakit na ito, no? Para maintindihan palalo, ninonominate ko si Mark Logan, Gretchen Pulido, at Senator Grace Poe.
Bongga! Sir Mario, thank you so much. Nadine, James, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And siyempre, wala bang body heat dyan? Body heat? Ito yun, Char. Would you like to say anything before you came on BS?
I just want to say thank you to everyone who watched the movie. We worked really hard. We love you guys, really. Thank you so much, everyone who watched. Thank you. We'll be back. We'll be back.
Thank you so much, James and Nadine. Palakpakan nyo naman sila, everybody. And then we'll be back for our meeting group. Thank you so much.
Ayan o, ayan o. James! Brett! Brett! James! 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 Ayun o! DJ,
Hindi, wag! Sobrang visit na